From $0 to a passive income. If you've ever dreamed about generating an income effortlessly, this video is going to be for you. And I'm talking about making money in your sleep. So in this video, we're going to cover some strategies and techniques on how we can make this our reality. Now imagine waking up every morning and earning money while not even having to actively work for this money. The truth is, this is not just a fantasy. It can be a realistic possibility for all of us. For me, it's always been important to create a strong financial future for yourself, because when you have a strong financial future, you're gonna have the ability to go out and do the things that you wanna do with your free time. And basically, a passive income really gives you this ability. It gives you the ability to do a lot more with your free time rather than having to trade your time for money. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, or maybe you're just somebody that wants to gain that financial independence, and I don't blame you, because me too. But the following strategies that I'm going to share are tailored towards that passive income goal. So if you're ready to embark on this journey with me, come on, we're getting on the ship, the doors are open, and this ship is going to be headed towards financial freedom and just overall making money effortlessly. Who wouldn't want to be making money while literally sleeping? Now it is time to explore different passive income options. And one very popular option as of today is going to be creating digital products. I mean, why go create a physical product when you could just create a digital product and not have to deal with shipping costs and labeling things and packaging things up and shipping them to people? But I want to specifically talk about creating an online course, which is a sort of digital product. And this is actually something that my brother Matt does with his course that is called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And before him, I had no idea what this type of digital product was, so I'm going to make sure to give you an explanation in case you were like me and you hadn't even heard of such a thing. But a digital course is just going to be a collection of videos revolving around one topic. And this collection of videos is going to teach about this certain topic or niche. And in my brother's case, his course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, teaches everything to do with YouTube and how to make money with it. When it comes to creating your own course, you are going to want to leverage your own skills and see how you can transfer those into a video format. And you want to make sure to develop valuable content that people will want to pay for and people will proudly pay for. But what should you create a course on? And honestly, there are so many different options, but just taking some time and thinking about your skills and your knowledge is a good place to start. However, you don't necessarily need to be an expert to create a course on something. You just need to know a little bit more than another person does on a certain topic. Now, your course could be about cooking, or it could be about YouTube, or it could be about affiliate marketing. Really, your course could be about anything. Platforms such as Udemy and Teachable are great places to get started on selling your courses. And remember, the key to success here is just creating high quality content. You don't want people to be paying for your content and being like, hey, this is not professional, but just overall answer the questions from your target audience. Now we're gonna jump into idea number 2, which is going to be starting up a blog. And honestly, I thought starting up a blog was kind of I don't want to say an older thing, because technology itself is relatively new in regards to computers and stuff. But in my mind, creating a blog was sort of a 2000s thing, 2010s. And I know we're in 2020 and that's not that long ago, but for me, that's half my life. But I was surprised to learn that so many people out there gain a full-time income from just writing different articles. And learning this, I decided to break it down a little bit step by step on how to create your own blog. And the first step is always going to be thinking about your interests. When you make a blog, you want it to revolve around one certain niche, and you want to make sure to pick a niche that you also like. Choosing a topic that you are passionate about will just make the workload a whole lot easier, because then you will be more motivated to keep making this content. Another tip when you're picking a niche is going to be just researching the market demand for this specific niche. For example, one of my favorite animals are alligators. Maybe I wanted to write a blog about alligators, but then I started researching the market demand and found out there is not a there is a little bit of a demand for learning about alligators, but not a huge, massive demand. You can use something like Google Trends to analyze what is popular within this world. And like I was saying, maybe I wanted to make my blog about alligators, but then I learned down the line that a more broad topic that people are interested in and have questions about within is just the overall health topic. Because within a topic such as health, there are so many different sub-niches that you could get into rather than just alligators. Next, you're gonna want to pick a platform to host your blog onto. And some examples that I have found are places such as WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Now, I'm not sure about all the ins and outs of these different platforms, but feel free to research any of these options further or maybe even find some more options. Next, you need a domain name for your blog. You want to pick something that is going to be short and sweet and memorable, and while also picking a domain that is relevant to your niche and the topic of the blog. And then when it comes to hosting your blog, there are a few different options out there as well, and some that I have found are Bluehost, HostGator, which, hey, we're talking about alligators again, or SiteGround. And then, for example, let's just say you're creating your blog with something like WordPress, and this is where it can get a little fun, where you can play around with the different themes and different text and fonts and different pictures included in the blog. But I would say to make sure to stick with one aesthetic, because you don't want it to be confusing. You want there to be a specific vibe. And then something that I also learned is you can install something called plugins, which is going to just overall help your blog. For example, there's a plugin called Yoast CEO, and this helps optimize your blog for different search engines and just make sure that your content is being put out to people that like your content. And then forgive me if I say this wrong, but there's also a plugin called Akismet, and this one just essentially protects your blog from different spam comments. Another plugin called Jetpack offers site security, performance, and different marketing tools. And then Google Analytics dashboard for specifically WordPress is going to make sure to tie Google's analytics within your WordPress website. Something that is also very smart when you're starting a blog is just overall planning your content. I would suggest maybe setting up something like a Google Calendar, or you could even use a tool called Trello to help plan your content and plan your various blog posts. When it comes to creating your first blog post, you want to aim for clear and engaging and informative content. Another thing that would be a smart idea is adding different photos and videos within your posts, just to make it more engaging and visually appealing as well. And then you could also use different headings and subheadings to make sure things are spaced out well. I mean, imagine if you went onto a blog and it was just a whole paragraph. There are no indentations, there's just nothing, just smack, a set of words. That wouldn't be very appealing at all. You want to make sure you break it up and make it look nice and pretty. Now, we've spent all of this time creating this blog, but we want people to read this blog, right? We spent all of this time, we need the people to see the blog. We can make sure that our blog posts reach our certain audience that we're looking for through various social media platforms. For example, you can promote it on Facebook or Twitter, which is now X, or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. While you're promoting your content on social media, also make sure to reply to different comments and engage with your community. Optimize, optimize, optimize. Optimization is something that is always going to be very, very important when it comes to running different social media platforms, including a blog. And with that being said, make sure to, you guessed it, optimize your blog. And you can do this by using different keywords to help your blog reach a bigger audience, or using different meta descriptions. Another thing you could do to really be in touch with your audience is set up an email list. And you can do this by using tools such as MailChimp or ConvertKit. This way, different people can subscribe to your newsletter, and this can be a source of income for you, passive income. And you can send these regular newsletters to your subscribers and send them with maybe exclusive posts or with different updates. And when it comes to blogs, you can make money in a whole lot of ways, which one way that I just named would be a mailing list. Or you can also make money with affiliate marketing or sponsored posts, or selling various digital products that relate to your blog, or just ads in general. There are so many different possibilities. And I would also like to throw in that I didn't mention before, when it comes to writing your blog posts, why not utilize AI to help you with it? AI can be a great tool to help you get on the right track, especially when it comes to writing blog posts, and it can fill you with so many different ideas. So you could hop on something such as just ChatGPT, for example, and you could ask it, hey, help me come up with 5 different blog post ideas within the niche of health. And next, we're gonna be getting into my favorite passive income idea, and if you know me, You know what I'm about to say. Okay, ready? YouTube, but more specifically, creating a faceless YouTube channel. Now, it doesn't have to be a faceless YouTube channel, but I know when I say a YouTube channel, a lot of people are like, I don't want to show my face. I don't want to do it. And you don't have to. Now let's talk a little bit about how to start your faceless YouTube channel if this is something that interests you. Now, just like creating a blog, the first step is going to be assessing your interests and relating them to a niche that is in demand. And I just hit this microphone. Woo! Now I'm going to go through a few different examples of a few different popular niches that I see all the time on YouTube. The first niche is going to be educational content, whether it be tutorials or how-to guides and just explanation videos. Next would be top 10 lists, so just ranking different topics. Top 10 movies, top 10 vacation destinations, top 10 books. And what I'm talking about right now is more so how to create content within a broad niche. So with any of these, you could create educational content on health, or educational content on history, or educational content on cooking. But moving on, another thing you could do is create product reviews on technology, product reviews on workout equipment. Next, you could create your content to have fun little animations, and there are so many different softwares that you can utilize to create animation videos. Another thing you could do is create compilation videos, so funny compilations, or inspirational quotes, or different viral trends. But there are so many different ideas out there, and those are just some examples on how you can create content that is faceless. Now let's talk about actually bringing these content ideas to life. And lucky for us, a tool has recently come out that is known as TubeMagic, and it is an AI tool that makes the YouTube journey so much easier because it's an AI tool specifically tailored to creating YouTube content. In fact, I use TubeMagic to help me create this video. And when it comes to creating faceless content on YouTube, or just any content in general, you might need to create a script, and this is where TubeMagic has your back. And then if you're sticking with creating faceless content, you're also going to need to create a voiceover, reading over your script. Now, depending on your budget, you could hire somebody else to do this process for you, or you could use even just your phone microphone to record your voiceovers. It works perfectly fine. And then when it comes to the visuals of the video, you might be thinking, Kayla, how do I record a video without sitting down and recording a video? Well, thanks to different stock photos and videos and video editors, we can create a video without having to record a video. A very good free video editing software that I have found, and one that I use, is something called CapCut. It's also a really great tool if you're using any other aspect of social media, such as TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. And then, like I said earlier, optimize, optimize, optimize when it comes to having a blog and also having a YouTube channel. You want to create catchy and keyword-rich titles for your videos and tags and descriptions. And I happen to know a little bit of a tool that can help you with this, and that is TubeMagic. I might have mentioned it earlier, I'm not sure. But TubeMagic can help you create optimized tags and descriptions and video titles for your YouTube channel. And then it's also going to be very important to just upload consistency. Consistency is key, is what I always say. And then, how do we exactly make money with a YouTube channel, you might be wondering, because we're here to make money. Well, there are going to be multiple ways, just like creating a blog. You can make money from ad revenue, where you're getting paychecks from YouTube itself, and you can do this when you become a part of YouTube's partner program, which is where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. However, there are ways that we can also make money in the meantime, and this can be through different digital products, selling physical products such as merchandise, different sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, which is something that I'm going to get into right now. And affiliate marketing is essentially just promoting somebody else's product, and when you promote this product, your viewers can buy this product through your link, and then you get a commission from when they purchase this. So with that being said, joining different affiliate programs would not be a bad idea at all. But also make sure to choose affiliate products that are related to the niche of your channel, because it wouldn't make sense to have a health channel but then be promoting chocolate. For example, going back to a blog, if you have a blog about fitness, it would only make sense to choose affiliate products that relate to fitness. You could create a blog post titled Top 5 Yoga Mats, and then at the end of the post, have your affiliate link for a specific yoga mat that you're talking about within the post. Or maybe you have a YouTube channel that talks about everything to do with making money with YouTube, and then you could get an affiliate link for my brother's course to mastery monetization. Or maybe you have an Instagram account or a TikTok account where you talk about everything to do with beauty. Then you could grab affiliate links for various beauty products and demonstrate how to use them within your posts. Or let's say you have an online course, which we talked about earlier. You could find various affiliate links that relate to the niche of your course and integrate those within your content. And by tying affiliate marketing within your business model, it is not only a way for you to make money, but the person that is selling the product also makes money. So it's kind of a win-win situation. And as you continue to build your passive income streams, it's always important to focus on the automation process, which is just going to make sure that you're making money in your sleep. You can use different tools such as scheduling platforms to automatically post your YouTube videos, or different project management tools such as Trello. Utilizing these different tools will just help you sit back and relax and watch the money roll in. And by utilizing these different steps that we went over today, you'll be able to go from this $0 to a passive income this year. And always remember that building a passive income will take time and dedication, as all things do. But the reward here is going to be financial freedom, and in my opinion, that is the best reward. And the final step here into achieving this passive income is going to be maintaining your business model. So you always want to make sure to review what you are doing and assess your progress and see how you can make it better in the future. For example, running a YouTube channel, you want to make sure to review your analytics and keep an eye on different trends and see what people want more of and what people want less of. And also staying informed about new opportunities is also essential when it comes to the social media game. So today we've covered some ideas on how to make this passive income a reality, and I've decided to end it off with a little bit of a checklist on what we covered in today's video. And some of the ideas on how to create a passive income in this video would include digital products, but specifically online courses, creating a blog, and then creating a YouTube channel, and then also tying affiliate marketing into all of these ideas. And remember, creating a passive income is not all about the money, but it is about creating a stable financial future for yourself to give you the freedom to do whatever you want to do in your free time. I mean, imagine waking up every day and knowing that your money is basically working for you. Literally a dream. And just always remember, I'm saying it again, but be patient with the journey. Now within this video, I talked a little bit about how to create a YouTube channel, but if you want to learn some more tips and tricks, make sure to click on this video right here, and it's essentially just a free course. You will get a ton of value from it, trust me. Make sure to click.